Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 21, which is dividing two digits by one digit. Yes, so we have learned how to do the long division, the division with reminder and without reminder. Isn't it, children? Dividing tens and ones by with no reminder, with reminder. Two topics we have finished, isn't it? So in the third topic we are going to learn the division by expanding the numbers. Okay, so dividing by expanding with no reminder, that means reminder will be 0. Okay, so let's see. Divide using long division by expanding. So expanding means you have to expand the numbers. You do you remember, children, we used to add the numbers, we used to subtract the numbers by expanding. Yes, so here also we will expand and we will do the division. But there in addition and subtraction, what we used to do, we used to expand both the numbers, isn't it, children? But here we will expand only one number and we will solve it. Okay, so let's see, and let's see how. So 33 divided by 11. 33 divided by 11. Okay, so 33 is your dividend, 11 is your divisor. So here you will only expand the dividend, that is 33. So 33 becomes 30 plus 3, isn't it, children? So 30 plus 3. Yes, so we will write 30 and 3 and divide with 11. Okay, so let's start. First, while we are doing the division, we have to draw the arc and a sleeping line like this. This is the way we do the division, isn't it? And you will place the divisor, which is 11. And this 33, we have to write it as 30 and 3, isn't it? So 30 and 3. Give some space and write 3. Now, the first number after expanding is 30, isn't it? Now you will check whether 30 is there in your 11 table or not. Do we have, children, 30? No, right? We don't have 30. Now what we have to do, we have to write which is less than 30 and which is nearer to 30. That is 11 ones are 11, that is also less. 11 twos are 22, that is also less. 11 threes are 33, that becomes more. Here we have only 30, isn't it? 30 33 3 threes 3 3 33, that is more bigger number, isn't it? So you have to write either 22, 11 twos are 22 or 11 ones are 11. So 22 is the nearest number, no? 11 is very far. So 22 is the nearest number. So you'll write 11 twos are 22. Okay, we have to always take the small and also the nearest numbers. Okay, children, now we have to do 30 minus 22. So 30 minus 22 will give us, so if you take the ones plus 0 minus 2, it becomes, so you need to carry 10 minus 2, that becomes 8. And here after borrowing 3 becomes 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. Otherwise you can directly use 30 minus 22 will be equal to 8. Isn't it, children? Like that also you can do. Like this also, like simply doing the subtraction also you can do. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to bring down this 3 now. So before that we have to place plus. Okay, we need to add them. Before, in the normal division, what you will do, 8, and you will just bring down the next digit and you need to together, like 83 14, we used to do like that, isn't it? But here in expanded form, what we have to do is we have to do the addition. Okay, so now you have to bring down this 3. 8 plus 3, how much? 8 plus 3, 11, isn't it? So you will place a dash and make it total and you will write it down, 11. Okay, now you have to check whether you have 11 is there in your 11 table or not. Okay, so 11 ones are 11. Isn't it, children? You have 11 in 11 table. 11 ones are 11. So you'll write 11 plus 11 ones are 11. Now what we have to do as usual, it is subtraction, isn't it? So you'll subtract. 11 minus 11 will be equal to 0. Okay. Now here you have your remainder is 0 here, isn't it? Now what about the quotient? 2 and 1 you have. Here also you need to add. Okay. So you need to add. Quotient is equal to 2. Here you have 2 and 1, isn't it? You need to add these two also. So 2 plus 1 will give us 3 and remainder is 0. So this is your remainder. This is your divisor. And together this is dividend. That is 30 and 3. 33. Okay. So in this way you need to do the division by expanding. Okay, children, let's see the next one. 45 divided by 5. So 5 is your divisor and 45. 45 means 40 and 5. Isn't it, children? After expanding 40 and 5. So dividend becomes 40 and 5 and divisor is 5. So you will place them according to their places like this. So 5 you have written in the divisor place. This 5 you have written in the divisor, and 45 you made it as 40 and 5. Okay. Now you have what? 40 here. Now check whether you have 40 in your 5 table. Yes, we do have, isn't it? 5 8s are 40, isn't it? So you'll write 8 and 40. Now 40 minus 40 will be equal to 0, isn't it, children? Yes. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 4 also 0. So either you can do it in that way or you can do double digit. 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. Now what we have to do, you have to bring down the 5. So here why I am not adding, because it's anyhow 0. 0 plus 5 will be, the answer will be 5 only. No, children? So that's why I'm not adding. Just we are bringing down the 5. Now we have to check whether you have 5 in 5 table or not. You have, isn't it, children? That is 5 ones are 5. Now you need to do the subtraction. 5 minus 5 will be equal to 0, isn't it? So you write 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now you got the remainder 0. Now what about the quotient? Quotient you need to add, no? 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And remainder is equal to 0. Okay, children. So in this way you have to do the division by expanding the numbers. Okay. By expanding the dividend only. Okay, children. So there are few more in your daily schedule. Please copy it down in your class book, children. And coming to your homework, complete the volume book. Volume book 3, page number 27. S3, dividing by expanding with no remainder. Okay. And tomorrow we will do dividing by expanding with remainder. Okay. So see you in the next class, children. Bye.